Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Google account name, which also updates your name on YouTube. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to my account google.com. This is your main Google account settings page. On the left hand menu, click on personal info. Here you can see details like your name, birthday, and other account information. Now, under the basic info section, you will see your name. Click on it, click on it again, type in your new first name and last name, then click save. That's it, your Google account name has been updated. Keep in mind, it may take few minutes for your new name to show up across Google service, including YouTube. And that's how you change your Google account name. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.